Hello again, it's Noob, and here we have a MulTLock Garrison, and this is how it came. It says Asa Abloy down here, which is strange. I thought MulTLock were part of MulTLock. I didn't realise that they were part of Asa Abloy now. This was all how it comes, all sealed in a bag. Again, I don't see a lot of these new. I've seen Garrisons before in like, what do you call, like blister pack type things like this. Never seen one wrapped in a bag like this. I just got this on eBay. Maybe this is how they sell them to locksmiths. I'm not entirely sure, but it is sealed in its own bag, which means that I think we should try an out of the pack pick on this. So this is a 7-pin. Not seen what this lock actually looks like on the inside, but this is a 7-pin cylinder, moderately high security. Oh, it looks quite nice actually with all its breakaways. Very, very nice, and hardly ever seen you onto these. Is a QC the same QC number? Would it even matter if it wasn't? I'm not sure. Well, no, maybe the bag's been QC'd and the lock's been QC'd differently. I don't know how this works. What does it say? Oh, it says MulTLock Technologies Asa Abloy. I honestly didn't know that it was an Asa Abloy group brand. Bit of tissue paper, probably don't need to worry about that. In fact, put that well over there because it's just going to get right in my way. And the screw to go in here for the door. Let's just check out. So, yeah, this can't be how they package them up, can they? With a key ring on? Doesn't seem right. Also, I would have expected the little colour markers on these Garrisons. You can just get these little press piece of plastic that go in to works nice smoothly though, to be available. So I don't know what this is about. If you know about how Garrisons are packed up, if as a locksmith or as a commercial entity of any kind, let me know. Otherwise, maybe just somebody had a bunch of Garrisons and put them in bags and sold them on eBay. I couldn't tell you, but nevertheless, let's have a go at picking this. So yeah, you can see that it's a 7-pin key. If you count, it's got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 pins. There's the 7 chambers. I'm going to grab a vise, and we're going to just set this up quickly, very quickly, so that we can get a pick on camera like that. And it should be. I don't know why. I was worried that it might be a thumb turn, but that makes no sense because it clearly didn't look a thumb turn in the bag. We've got an interior and exterior side, so that's the exterior side with the extra cutaway, so that's the one we'll be picking. There we go. And I might actually just put some, because we're not going to gut this one. I have plenty of videos on Garrisons that we can have a look at if we want to, in terms of what pins would be inside. And yeah, I've got my pick kit here. I'm going to choose a nice thick turner. MulTLock are quite generous with the space they give you in the lock, so I can try and find a nice long turner like that. And I think I'm going to try to pick this from the right hand side, so I just need a right hand flag, which would be, oh, that one would probably be the right one. Let's have a check. Yeah, I think that should do. Do I have another one? The important thing is the setup with this, isn't it? It's getting it just right so it feels good. I think that that's going to be better. Yeah, right. Let's go for it. I'm just going to pop the kit over there. Get all aligned. I'm going to be tensioning clockwise, picking anti-clockwise like this, and we're just going to go through. Nothing on 1, 2, nothing, 3. Little click, falls binding. Oh, into a bit of a false set. Falls binding heavily. So let's see if we can do anything there. No, not yet. 5 binding. 6 now. Oh, there we go. And back to the. Oh, we're stuck behind something. A little click on 3. Let's try 2. Anything on 1? And we're into a lovely full set. Right at the back now, pin 7 I think is binding. Yeah. Now 6 I can feel. Nice counter rotation. There we go. Oh, and we're open. Perfect. So that was, yeah, our Garrison fully picked all the way around. Well, not all the way around, you know what I mean. It's a fully picked lock. Oh, wow, that was lucky. I didn't secure the vise properly. It's all wobbly. Anyway, we're all picked, thank goodness. Let's just show you that. So, yeah, you can turn that fully if you just keep that long tipped turner down into the keyway like that, so the tops of the driver pins don't go back up into the keyway. So yeah, really good fun lock to pick. And actually what I would say is, if you're new to picking dimple locks and you want something that gives really good feedback, a modest challenge but not insurmountable, I really would I would recommend, maybe that works, a MulTLock Garrison. Genuinely, don't be put off by the fact it's made by MulTLock or it's got 7 pins. Don't worry about that at all. These are nicely made locks with spools, great feedback, and I would recommend them. Not sponsored, by the way, Garrison or MulTLock or Asset Abloy. I wish they'd sponsor me, but alas, they're not sponsors. Anyway, if you like this video, please leave a like. Have any comments, then please pop them below. I do read them all, reply to as many as I can. If you haven't subscribed, now's a great time to subscribe, and of course I will see you all next time.